Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Mirda Kaira. My nickname is 211080100076 from Class T, Sharia Economics Study Program, Faculty of Islamic Economics and Business. Here, I will present my essay entitled The Role of E-Commerce on the Indonesian Economy. Okay, here I will explain a little about the meaning of e-commerce. E-commerce, or in Indonesian electronic commerce, is the activity of distributing, selling, purchasing, marketing products, goods, and services by utilizing telecommunication networks such as the internet, television, or other computer networks. E-commerce is often used in various circles, especially for business. Based on research and case studies in Australia, there are several factors that encourage companies to use e-commerce, namely 1. The use of computers and information technology by a company. 2. The current implementation of e-commerce and plans for the future. 3. Constraints in the use of e-commerce. 4. The expertise of information technology staff in economy. 1. What are the tips of e-commerce? 2. What is the role of e-commerce for business, consumers, and governments? 3. What are the benefits of using e-commerce? Types of e-commerce. 1. Business to business. This type of e-commerce is carried out by people or parties with mutual interest, where a company sells products or services to other companies. In this type of e-commerce, buyers usually order goods in large quantities. 2. Business to consumers. This type of e-commerce is where the transaction process is carried out by producers to sell goods and services to consumers directly. An example is Shopee, which consists of many sellers who will be directly connected to their consumers. 3. Consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer. In this type of e-commerce, sales transactions are carried out between consumers and other consumers. An example is the OLX website, one of which can sell used goods from sellers to consumers. 4. Consumer to business. Type of consumer to business. An individual offers a product or service to a company that needs it. For example, free lunch. 5. Online to offline. This type of e-commerce is where producers will find consumers, attract consumers, and carry out promotion through online networks, which will be continue with the purchase to goods offline at the store. Before taking goods offline at the store, consumers order goods first online. 6. Consumer to administration is a process of electronic buying and selling transactions carried out between individuals and the government. 7. Business to public administration. Type of e-commerce that sells products and services to government agencies. For examples, the Clue application, which has a function to help the performance of companies and government agencies in the administration and in the administrative system. The role of e-commerce for business people. Increase marketing reach. Through e-commerce, business actors have the opportunity to market their products more easily through a wider reach to overseas. E-commerce also provides opportunities for business people to sell their products so that they can be recognized by more potential buyers. Attract investors to invest. E-commerce has an attraction for foreign investors to invest so that business people have the opportunity to improve their business. The role of e-commerce for consumers. Transaction through online e-commerce make it easier for consumers to transact. In addition, consumers don't have to bother with transportation costs to come to offline stores. And consumers also don't have to worry about expensive postage fees because now many online platforms are supported with free shipping features. The convenience obtained when transaction is due to the self-serve system, which makes the processing process faster and more efficient because customers can control transactions, access purchase history, payment methods, and more independently. The role of e-commerce for the government. Increase national growth. E-commerce is one of the main drivers that makes Indonesia the country with the largest digital economy value in Southeast Asia. Help the government in reducing unemployment. E-commerce has helped reduce unemployment because it attracts people to do business in an easy and efficient way with available capital. In addition, the creativity of the community is also increasing. The benefits of using e-commerce: simplify the process of selling and buying, facilitate the dissemination of information, facilitate the marketing and production of goods or services. Summary: along with the development of the times, we can reach everything from afar just by using a smartphone or other electronic device, including in terms of doing business. Doing business can be done remotely or what we usually call an online system. With this e-commerce, it provides a role for the Indonesian economy, but for business actors or business people, consumers, and also the government. That's all from my presentation. Sorry for the shortcomings. Thank you for your attention. I will end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.